Well, hello everyone. Good morning. TomBerkenmeyer.com is my website, just like it's spelled here on social media. TomBerkenmeyer.com. It's time to make the donuts. No, not really. It's time to make a superfoods shake, a chocolate flavored one. So good. Tastes like a chocolate orgasm every morning. Hi, Colleen. Nice to see you. You're the first one here. I just opened this up 2 seconds ago. So I'm starting with a big little canister of water. I like a lot of heat. Any of you have been watching my live feeds on how I do these, I always add cayenne pepper. Even to my regular cooking channel. In most of my dishes, not just this. I got this super awesome cayenne pepper because I love heat. Good morning, Leslie. We've been friends for a while. And I love this cinnamon bark oil. It is so good. It's in almost every superfoods shake that I make. Just one little drop because it's got 500 times the concentration of regular cinnamon. So you only need one drop. And you never ever want to have it straight because it will burn off your taste buds. Hi, Danielle. Hi, everybody. Hi, Penny. Alright, so next, let's go straight to the base of the matter, the base of the shake. Isn't this a cool necklace? I love this necklace. Hi, Rhonda. Hi, Danielle. So you're the first one to actually engage back with me this morning. So thanks for that. Everyone else, you're also welcome to engage back with me by typing something, because I like it to be conversational. So one big heaping scoop of this deliciousness. Hi, Penny. You're the second person to engage back with me. And somebody just sent me a heart. You know what I love about the heart button? Most of all, not just that it's a heart. It's the fact that there's a like button right next to it and you went for the heart. That's pretty cool. What am I doing, Rhonda asks. I'm making a superfoods shake. There's 70 some odd whole food ingredients in it. Superfoods. And I've been drinking it for years and years. I've been drinking it and selling it for years and years. I'm going to add a little bit more cayenne pepper just because I love heat so much. Even though I already put a ton in there, I'm going to put a little bit more in. That is so good. Yummy. This is how I start my morning every morning. Even if I'm not doing a live feed, I'm still back here doing it, just not showing it to you. But this morning I'm showing it to you. Some frozen blueberries. Rhonda, I'm typically up before the sun. It's 5:30 in the morning where I'm at right now, Central Time. I believe it's 3:30 where you are, Rhonda. Danielle says, yeah, since you mentioned that, I never used the like button no more. Always the love button. Damn right, Danielle. The like button is like sort of impotent and anemic when there's a love button right next to it, so why not go for the love? So then, Rhonda, I guess you're up late and I'm up super early? Or did you already go to bed and you went to bed early and you're up early? I don't know. So frozen blueberries, I find that any kind of berry goes great with chocolate. And when I'm doing a shake, I typically go for frozen berries. Not canned, certainly not cooked, but frozen berries to be blended up with a good superfood shake. Do I want to add greens? Yes, I do. I I just got this big old bag of power greens. Baby chard, kale, and spinach. I'm having a hard time finding bags of just straight up arugula, which is my favorite, so I'm getting this now. Had me till the blueberry. Well, Penny, you don't have to add blueberries. You can keep them out and not add anything, and it's still delicious. Rhonda, I'm still up laying in bed. Ah, wow, so you're up very late, Rhonda. You're in bed watching me. Sweet. Fresh new bag. Struggle to open it for the first time. Just a big, ooh, more hearts, cool. Big handful of this, just a big old fistful of greens. And this requires a very good blender to be able to emulsify this and pulverize it. Alright, I got everything in here that I want to add. Hi Mary, good morning. You know we love you. Well, thanks, Rhonda. Love back to you. So now we blend it up. And while the blender is going, you can do a little dance to get your blood flow going in the morning. Imagine that. Pulse. All right, it's all done. Let's try it out. Oh my God, that is so fucking good. That is good. Hi, Deanna. Nice to see you. Good morning. Good morning, J-Moon Pisces. So that's it. That's the chocolate orgasm superfoods shake. With a little bit of a chocolate mustache there. So that's how I start out my day. Every day for, gosh, the past decade now. 10 years or something like that. I've been drinking and selling these for 10 years. So if you want to see what I've been drinking and selling for 10 years, private message me. I'll send you the link. I've got 2 friends that decided to try it to see if they like it just this past week. Both of them tried it, and both of them liked it a lot. And one of them had a weight loss goal, and she's already starting to lose some weight. And she's feeling great, and her clothes are fitting her differently and more better. I love that phrase, more better, because it's not grammatically correct. And the energy, they both tell me they have better energy. So private message me, I'll send you the link for this, and you can try it as well to see if you like it. And that's all I've got for you, friends. That is it. If you want to be conversational a little bit longer, I'll stick around for another minute or so until I get going with my day. I haven't even been on Facebook yet, with the exception of this. But I haven't, checked messages or notifications yet. Or I haven't gone to see whose birthday it is yet. Nothing else. Let you see what? You have a great day too, Penny. Thanks for being here. Oh. Rhonda, what did you want to see? I know there's a 20-second delay in here, so I might be waiting a few seconds or so. So while I wait, I'll rinse this off. Well, that's the entire cleanup. You have a great day, so I guess you're not going to tell me what you wanted to see. You can private message it to me if you want. I don't care. Good night. Oh, that drink. Oh, I already showed it to you. Oh, here's what it looks like. Hi, Laura. So that concludes the video. This will be archived on my Facebook timeline for those of you that missed the beginning or missed all of it because you just signed in 2 seconds ago. You can go back and watch it. As for me, I'm going to go start my day. Yep. I got some interesting Facebook updates to make today as well. You guys can follow that. One of them has to do with my new house that I'm converting into a rental property. So so that'd be a cool post. But good morning, and make it a great day, everybody. Bye for now. Mwah.